Welcome back, guys. We are now going to make a beautiful candelabra for our place. Wait, stop. I'm missing something. Stop. That's it. Hug the shit. Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, wow.
And we're ready to go.
And go.
Welcome back, guys. We're here and we're going to be making a beautiful Gothic candelabra for our new home. And what we're going to use, because we're poor now, is the dollar store product. So we're going to need 2 of these crystal clear taper candle holders, right? We're going to need a candle holder. And this, they call it like a cutting board. I don't know why it's called a cutting board, but they consider it a cutting board. So what we're going to do with this is, actually, you're going to paint that one if you would like, even though I already have them painted. So with the 2 candles, we're going to need a glue gun. And these are also dollar store Christmas ornaments, which are out now as well because, you know, Nightmare Before Christmas kind of thing. So yeah, it makes total sense. So, and what we did with this is, as you can see, is I spray painted them. That's why there's a skewer there. And some styrofoam and some beautiful Gothic flowers. So that's what we're going to need. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going off magically camera. Off camera magically. There we go. Yay! Okay. So once you've painted, and that takes a while, look at your beautiful white, your white lace in there. That's good. You're done. We also need 4 of these little candles that we used in another craft. And these are usually white, and we painted them black. And I put a little bit of silver on it because I wanted it to be a little differentiated. So what we're going to do is with the bottom one, the candle holder, this one, I'm going to glue this to the base. So it's going to be our base. And you can take these little squeegee things off, but it doesn't bother me. So I don't care. So
see, this is why I burn every house down, Lestat, because you just come up with the most creative ways of redecorating it.
It's just an excuse because you can't deal with being a vampire.
I just don't like it when I don't get
He gets really angsty.
I just want to go to the beach. I want to get a nice tan, but I can't.
You can still go.
Well, so there's your base, and then before this, I had glued these 2 together, so it's nice and firm. And then we take this, which is the cutting board, which I also painted black with some silver specks. And then here you want to put that on top. Let me get the glue. Get the glue going. Now you can use a glue gun, which does a pretty good job. But if you want, why am I shaking? It's like, what is wrong with me? You guys keep poisoning me.
Yeah, well, you know, it wasn't me.
He's starting to.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, come here. Now you're just
Can
gonna.
you hold this like a little bit?
Okay, and you're gonna glue that right in the middle. Is that in the middle?
Is that in the middle?
Like this. Okay, there you go. It seems like it's in the middle. Okay. Whose phone is going off? I don't know, somebody's phone, but that's okay. We'll let it go. It's all right. They're messaging us because they saw how gorgeous we are. Then here, you want to glue each one of these onto here. So we're gonna do, 1 and 1 here. This will help you. So you take a skewer and you just put it across so you know how to measure exactly. Half and half.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
That's cool.
So you go like that, and you say, okay, that's there, and then you put the other one across. So you want me to glue, and you just stick it on?
Here, stick it on.
All right, here we go. Okay, go ahead, glue it on. Hopefully, is it glue? No, it needs to be bigger.
Let me see.
Yeah,
I think it has to be
circle.
around like
Bigger circle.
bigger circle.
There we go. There we go. Just get it out of the way.
Haha.
And then spin it around. So this is also, if you like, a haunted mansion kind of look. This can go for that haunted mansion kind of look. But don't spend like $20. Go ahead. Getting yourself a candelabra when you can make it for less than 10 with this method. And it looks really cute.
Here we go. We're doing about
4, yeah. You can do more. You can put another, if you wanted to, you could put another level. You could put another candelabra in the middle. And, not a candelabra, but another one of those taper candle holders. But I thought this was, oh, wow, I'm already out of glue. Here we go.
no touching.
Oh, that's right, I can't be near fire.
No, you can't be near fire.
For a full month, you're grounded.
Well, whatever.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
This candelabra is anti-Louis tantrums.
There.
It's really glued on in there.
Really
Like
good.
It's mad.
Now, because we have 4 of these, we can glue these on. And that adds the look of the candelabra. I should have done this before. I'm sorry. You know, on Indiana Jones, we just go for it.
We just go for it. We live life on the edge.
Yes, like a vampire.
Burn a house here and there.
So,
and then recreate it.
Now, if you want, you can just do this. Because I thought, you know,
these are so pretty.
Just put them over.
Oh.
And there you go.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I mean, you could get rid of the string, but for today, I'm just going to make it easy. You can glue it. You can glue it however you want.
I like it with the string.
No, it makes sense with the string. It's easier too.
Yeah, it's easier. You don't burn your finger. I didn't burn my finger so far yet.
You can burn your house, but you won't burn your finger.
Exactly. Then, if you want, you can take styrofoam.
Okay.
And then, let's see, does this fit? Should have measured this first.
Oh.
That works. Put a little glue. And then, all right, start taking apart. Here, I'll cut some of the roses.
There you go.
Here, I'll cut the roses and you guys can start sticking them in.
No
spiders.
Don't mind if I do.
Spiders.
I'm also kind of scared of anything hot.
Oh, it's okay. No, there's no glue.
Because
There's no hot glue.
Claudia wants to stay far from the.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got a really
last
bad
time.
and I got a really bad sunburn because Louis found a new friend
Well, you know.
and burned my new friend
Look,
too.
if you saw his new friend, I don't blame him.
Honey, if you saw the new friend, you'd understand too.
Here. Oh, let me put some black.
I had a bad feeling about that one. Really bad feeling.
You know.
And that's it. Look how pretty. Let's
That is
finish
gorgeous.
this up. There might be some more flowers. There are more flowers over there. There might be other pieces. Here you go.
And these flowers won't burn or die because they're already dead.
Yeah.
You know?
Just like all your victims.
Just like, oh, spider.
Just like us and our victims.
Oh, look how cute. Look, a little snack for you, Louis. A spider.
Okay. Isn't this fun?
This is really.
Really fun.
This is.
Should we
fun.
add another spider?
Right? Yeah, and then you can
can't have
just
it.
like cover it. Just as long as you cover all the styrofoam, so I'm putting it here on the side.
Later on in life, I
There
grew
we go.
fond of spiders.
There we go. Here. Are there more flowers over there somewhere? You spirits of the night? You creatures of the night? Do we have any more? No? I thought that we did. They might not be there.
Oh,
That's
You
fine.
know what? We can just do it.
We
for
can
the-
do,
we
yeah,
can cheat
just
for
do it in the
camera.
front. Yeah, just cheat for the camera. Just do it in the front. Gotta get the.
let me know if
tag
I'm
off.
doing it. My
As long
immortal
as you-
height. There you go.
Here you go. Just as long as you cover all of the areas. I don't see any more flowers. That's okay.
I think we've.
You covered it? Let me see.
So.
Oh,
Oh, it's
that's
perfect.
There we
It's
go.
perfect. Yeah,
That's
we can finish
gorgeous.
up the back later, but look at the little spiders. And
Oh, where are we going to put this candle up?
Isn't this gorgeous?
We're gonna put it in our new chart.
All right, but I'm serious. I mean, this,
No, this is beautiful.
You go to
Honestly.
the store and you would buy something like this for $25, and I don't think that costs us.
I saw something like this.
Not
for
even
like,
10.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is. Honey,
I love doing this. Yay! Even though I'm the one that's like that has to clean it up after, but
they don't know that.
so this can light up your Gothic romantic
I love
Halloween
this.
evening. Isn't it gorgeous?
I don't even want it
Or
for
if you
Halloween. I
could
just
get
want it
a
for all
little
year
glass-
round.
I know, right?
Like all year round.
Yeah, that's why I put the styrofoam
Yeah.
because if you want, you can change the color.
You can
You can make
change
it
it.
black. You can make it roses, like red, like
Yeah.
deep red roses. That would look really pretty too. So anyway, we will be back with another cute little Halloween Gothic idea for you guys. We'll be right back.